Question number 1. Given that tan theta is equal to P, find tan 2 theta, cos theta, cot theta minus 45. Part A. We have to find tan 2 theta. So tan, we know the formula of tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. If you don't know this formula, you must be knowing the formula of tan A plus B. That is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So in this formula you can put A as theta and B as theta. So tan theta plus tan theta is 2 tan theta and 1 minus tan square theta. Now we put the value. Tan theta is B. So tan 2 theta will be 2 P over 1 minus P square. So that is the identity for tan 2 theta. Part B. Cos theta. Whenever you have given tan theta, whenever you have tan theta or cos theta or sin theta, if any value is given, the best way is, and you have to find the remaining two, the best way is use a right angle triangle. This angle is theta. For example, in this question we know tan theta is P. You know that socata. So tan theta is equal to, either you call perpendicular over base or you call rise over run, or you can call it opposite over adjacent. This over this, if this is the theta. So we have here tan theta is equal to this side, let's say opposite over adjacent, and actually tan theta is given P, so it is P over 1. There's no 1, but we have to write 1. So we can say this is P and this one is 1. So according to Pythagoras theorem, this side will be P square plus 1 root. We are using the Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse. Now we know that cos theta is not opposite but adjacent, that is 1 over hypotenuse, P square plus 1. So that is the answer of cos theta. In the same way, if you have to tell the answer of sin theta, so sin theta will be P over P square plus 1. Now part C is cot theta minus 45. We don't have any direct formula for this, so let's convert it into 1 over 10 theta minus 45. We are going to use the same formula. If it is 1 over tan A plus B, so this will become the denominator, this is numerator. So this is equal to, or I can write it here, if you 1 over 10 theta minus 1045 over 1 minus, this is 1 plus, over 1 plus 10 theta 1045. Now this is the numerator of a numerator, so it will become the denominator, it will go here. So this will be equal to 1 plus 10 theta 1045 is 1 over 10 theta minus 1045 is 1. So that is equal to 1 plus p over 1 minus p. And that is the answer of cos theta minus 45. So cot theta minus 45 is 1 plus p over 1 minus p. Question number 2. This is fx is equal to 2 e to the power x minus 5. Find y is equal to fx. Sketch the graph, and y is equal to modulus of x. Sketch on a separate diagram the curve with equation y is equal to fx. So if I draw the graph for y is equal to e to the power x, it will pass through 1. So this is y is equal to e to the power x. If it is 2 e to the power x, so graph will be this will be the graph. This is 2 e to the power x. 2 means the y coordinate will be multiplied by 2. So this coordinate is 0 and 1. So this will be multiplied by 2, so it will be 2. Now negative 5 means it will go 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the graph will be and this is the asymptotes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is equal to 5 is the asymptote. Now this coordinate is you can see that this is 0 and minus 3. 1, 2, 3, and this coordinate is, if we put y is equal to 0, so e to the power x will be 5 over 2, so x will be ln 5 over 2. So this coordinate is ln 5 over 2, and so this coordinate is ln 5 over 2 and 0. So these are the coordinates, this is the asymptote, and this is the intersecting points. Now on this diagram, so we have this 1, 2, 3. This is y is equal to 2 e to the power x minus 5. Now this is going to be for this only the positive. There's no mod function, means there's no graph, there's no value of y which is negative. Graph will not be on the negative side, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the asymptote is here, So exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So y is equal to 5. So and it will pass through this 3. This is the 1. So again this is ln 5 over 2 and 0, and this is minus 3, so it is 3, so 0 and 3, and y is equal to 5 is the asymptote. So this is the answer of part 2, and this one, and this is the part 1, the sketch, 6 marks. Part B. Deduce the set of the values for which fx is equal to mod fx. So in fact, if I see in this diagram, only this part is common. So x is greater than ln 5 over 2. These are the values. So if you want, you can prove it also. That is, fx is 2 e to the power x minus 5 is equal to mod fx, that is negative 2 e to the power x minus 5. So 2 e to the power x minus 5 is equal to minus 2 e to the power x plus 5. So this is 4 e to the power x is equal to 10. E to the power x is equal to 5 over 2. So x is ln 5 over 2. So set of, this is the critical value, so set of values, x is greater than ln 5 over 2. Now part C, mod fx is 2. So exact solution of this. So mod x means 2 e to the power x minus 5 is equal to 2, or 2 minus 2 e to the power x minus 5. So either it's positive or it's negative. So if it is negative, so 2 e to the power x is equal to 7. So x is equal to ln 7 over 2. And this is minus 2 e to the power x is equal to, this is plus 5, minus 5, so minus 3. So x will be ln 3 over 2. So these are the exact solutions. So g theta is, this is question number 3. G theta is 4 cos 2 theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. And this is r cos 2 theta plus alpha, so that will be cos A, this is cos A minus B, cos A cos alpha plus sin A sin B. This is g theta and this is also g theta. So if we compare this, cos 2 theta is here and cos 2 theta is here, sin 2 theta is here and sin 2 theta is here. So what remaining is here? 4, and this is cos alpha, here 2, and this is sine alpha. So I can write sine alpha is equal to 2 and cos alpha is equal to 4. And this is r. So this is r sine alpha, r cos alpha. If a square is, then r square sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, that is 1, is equal to 2 square plus 4 square. 2 square. This is 4 plus 16. That is 20. 20 can be written as 4 multiply 5. So r will be 2 root 5. And if we divide sine alpha over cos alpha, so r cancels, so 10 alpha is equal to half. So alpha will be 10 inverse half. So alpha up to 2 places of decimal. So this is 26.565. So 26.57. So the value of r is 2 root 5 and the value of alpha is 26.57 degree. Now part B is solve 4 cos 2 theta plus 2 sine 2 theta is equal to 1. Four cos 2 theta plus 2 sine 2 theta is equal to r is, so this is equal to 2 root 5 cos 2 theta minus alpha 26.57 is equal to 1. So 2 theta minus 26.57 is equal to cos inverse 1 over 2 root 5. So 2 theta minus 26.57 is equal to, so this is 77.079. So these are the values. So this is A, S, T and C. So our solution is this, but this one is from negative 90 to 90, this and this. So this will be, the solution will be this and minus 77.079. So theta will be 77.079 plus 26.57 and theta will be 77 minus 77.079 plus 26.57. So theta will be, so this is negative. Now this is 2 theta, this is not theta. So theta will be up to 2 places, 1 places of decimal, 1 decimal place only. So this is 103.6 over 2 and minus 50.5 over 2. So that will be, so that is equal to 51.8 and minus 25.3. So that is the value of theta. Part C. Given that k is a constant and the equation g theta is equal to k has no solution. So it means 2 root 5 cos 2 theta minus 26.57 is equal to k has no solution. I think the recording was off when I was writing this. If it has no solution, let's try to find the solution. So cos 2 theta minus 26.57 is equal to k over 2 root 5. Now it's saying no solution. No solution means if the value of cos is, because this is the graph of cos and the value of cos ranges from -1 to +1. So in both the cases, either this is more than 1 or this is less than 1. If it is more than 1, it means k should be greater than 2 root 5. If it is less than 1, k should be less than -2 root 5. And that's the solution. Question number 4, part A. This question says the water is being heated in an electric kettle. The temperature theta degree centigrade of water at t seconds after the kettle is switched on is modeled by the equation theta is equal to, so we have theta is equal to, theta is the temperature, 120 minus 100 e to the power minus lambda t. T is from t to t, capital T. State the value of theta when t is equal to 0. So when t is equal to 0, so the temperature will be 120 minus 100 e to the power, t is 0, this is 0, so that is 0, it is 1, so that is 20 degree centigrade. That is the temperature. Given that the temperature of the water in the kettle is 70 degrees centigrade when T is 40. So question B is, when T is 40 seconds, the temperature theta is equal to 70 degree. Find the exact value of lambda, giving your answer in the form of ln A over B, where A and B are the integers. So theta is 70 is equal to 120 minus 100 e to the power minus lambda multiply 40. So 70 over 120 no 70, this is 70, let me calculate it, so better I write it, that is 120 minus 70 over 100 is equal to e to the power minus 40 lambda. So that is equal to 50 over 100, so that is half. So minus 40 lambda is equal to ln half. So lambda will be ln half over minus 40. So that can be written as ln 2, this will go power minus 1, it will be 2 over 1 ln 2 over 40. Now part C is when T is equal to T, the temperature of the water reaches, so theta is equal to 100. Calculate the value of T. So 100 is equal to 120 minus 100 e to the power minus lambda is ln 2 over 40 T. So I can write it e to the power minus ln 2 over 40 T is equal to 120 minus 100, that is 20 over 100, so that is equal to 1 over 5. So minus ln 2 over 40 T is equal to ln 1 over 5. So T will be ln 1 over 5, this minus will come here, divide by ln 2 multiply 40. So the T will be, now again this is negative 1 over 5, so I can write it, I can write T is equal to 40, this negative will come here, it will 5 over 1, so ln 5 over ln 2. So T will be so this is 40 multiply 2.3219, 2.3219, so T will be 92.87. So to the nearest whole number T will be 93. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. To all those who are going to sit for GCE C3 or IEL C34 exam, make sure you start practicing from now onwards. Don't wait till September or December to start your preparation, otherwise you will not be able to get good marks.